Hi there, just a quick word about this new tutorial, Stonehenge. Obviously a very iconic landmark, one we've all seen at some time or other, either on a photograph or by actually going there. Make a good grade 1 this, because I'm not saying it's simple, but there's not a lot of detail to get bogged down with, and it's fairly quick to do because it's actually 3/4 sky. For this one I've taken 2 photographs. It's the same scene, but I've got a photograph panned out a bit more that gives us a real vision of the sky and shows us more of the background. And then I've zoomed in on it to get a bit more detail for when we're working on the stonework. I often do that. I find that's a really good way to work. Bear in mind when you're doing this to keen observation of the stones. All the detail is in there, and that means that if you concentrate the detail on this, it very much becomes the focal point. I think you're going to love doing this one.